Welcome to Kids Fine Art DIY. This lesson is for our 4 years old beginners. We will be covering shapes today. There are so many shapes that we have names or we don't have name for. Let's start with circle, square, and triangle today. Circle is the shape that most kids can draw on their own. But we do need to remind them sometimes to make sure it's closed nicely. Some kids might have trouble drawing a square. If they do, just guide them with your finger in the air. Tell them to follow your fingers to the right, down, to the left, up. Make sure it's closed. I've had good numbers of kids had hard time drawing a triangle. I broke it down into drawing a pointy line, then connect. It worked every time. Now, let's fill up a paper with circles in different sizes. Then, let them think of circle-shaped objects. If they don't remember any, just have them walk around the house, see what they can find. Back to the paper with circles. They might tell you they don't know how to draw the things they saw. But don't worry, just ask them questions, have them describe to you what they have seen. Let's take the buttons as an example. Ask them what shape is the button. It's a circle. Then what else is there? There are 4 little circles in the middle. There you go. The clock. The clock looks like a big circle. 2 arms in the middle, one longer, one shorter. Longer lines, short lines around the circle with a black frame outside. The numbers. If they don't know how to write a number, that's okay. Have them finish the rest of the circles. They can totally do it on their own. Talk them through, help them discover the details, then they can figure out they can draw it on their own. Repeat the same process with other shapes like square, rectangle, or triangles. This is a picture was done by one of my 4-year-old students. Materials needed for this project are a piece of paper and a set of markers. First, draw a very big circle. Please make sure it's big enough because kids like to draw small circles. Use your finger, guide them. Draw a big one. Have them fill up the plate with any food or fruits they love. Some fruits outside the plate. A little decoration on the plate. They can use the shapes they learn, or they can use dots or lines. Patterns on the tablecloth. Here might be something new for a 4-year-old kid. Overlapping. See, the pattern is blocked by the plate. So when we draw the line, you go keep drawing it until you touch the plate and stop, but keep moving your hand but not drawing on the plate, then start to draw when the pattern shows. If this is hard to understand for your kid, that's okay. Just have them finish the line on one side and then continue the lines on the other side. Finish the rest of the pattern. Let's talk about colors. The 4-year-old has no concept of actual colors of objects in real life and likes to paint them randomly. We can help them identify and recognize common colors, such as the colors of the rainbow. Now, let's color our picture. Color the border first, like building a fence, then from the border color towards the center. I love seeing kids' face when they're done with their picture. So happy and so proud. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time.